Hello everyone, we've got a nice circles question here. So it says, the circle C has the equation x squared add y squared minus 10x add 4y add 11 equals 0. Find the coordinates of the centre of C and the exact radius. Okay, so this is just going to be a nice little bit of completing the square. So if I gather together the x bits, so x squared minus 10x plus y squared minus 4y plus 11 equals 0. So I'm going to complete the square on this bit. So that's going to go to x minus 5 squared minus 5 squared plus y minus, let me just be careful there, just make sure I've got my sign correct. Y plus 2 squared minus 2 squared plus 11 equals 0. Okay, so that is x minus 5 squared minus 25 plus y plus 2 squared minus 4 plus 11 equals 0. Now we can collect our like terms. Minus 25 minus 4 plus 11 is going to be minus 29, and then we are going to plus 11 onto that. Okay, so that's going to be 18. So let's have a look. That's going to give us x minus 5 all squared plus y plus 2 all squared is equal to 18. So therefore the centre of our circle is going to be 5 minus 2. So that's our centre. And our radius is going to be the square root of 18, which is going to equal the square root of 9 times the square root of 2, which is going to be equal to 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 is our 3 root 2 is our radius there. Okay, now next bit. The line L has the equation y is equal to 3x add k, where k is a constant. Given that L is a tangent to C, find the possible values of k, giving your answer as simplified surds. So we've got our circle here, and we've got two tangents to the circle. Okay, so they've both got the same gradient. These two lines are both parallel. Now I think the 5 marks, I think the way that they're implying that we ought to do this is we're going to substitute in y equals 3x add k into the expression for the circle in part A, and then we're going to boil that whole thing down to a quadratic, and we're going to evaluate the discriminant, because b squared minus 4ac equals 0 when we have a tangent. Okay, so that's what we're going to do for our part B, which is quite standard actually. So here we go, let's write it down. So we've got x squared, we're going to sub in the equation of the line. So y is getting replaced by 3x add k, like so. And then we've got minus 10x, and then we've got plus 4 times the y, which is 3x add k, plus 11 equals 0. So all we've done there is sub in the y. Let's expand everything and simplify everything then. So that's going to go to 9x squared plus 6k plus k squared minus 10x plus 12x plus 4k plus 11 equals 0. Let's gather together our x squared. Well, there's only one term there in, we've got 9x squared add 1, so that's 10x squared. Add that together. And then what have we got? That's all constant terms, so we've got minus 10 there. Minus 10 add 12 is going to be 2x. Okay. And this here, this 6k, is actually going to be 6kx. So when we look at all of that, combine those three terms together, minus 10 add 12 is 2 and 6k. So we're going to have add 6k add 2 times by x there. And then finally, the constant terms are going to be k squared plus 4k plus 11. So that's our C. So that is k squared plus 4k plus 11 is our constant term when we bring all of those together. Okay, so that means that for the purpose of our discriminant, the 10 is equal to A, the B is equal to 6k plus 2 is our B, and our c is equal to k squared add 4k add 11. So therefore our discriminant b squared minus 4ac equals 0 is going to be, that's equal to our b rather, b squared is going to be 6k add 2 all squared, 6 squared 2 squared minus 4 times by a, which is 10, times by c, which is k squared add 4k add 11, and that's all going to be set equal to 0. So it's now time to expand that. So that's going to go to 36k squared plus 24k plus 4 minus 40k squared minus 160k minus 160k minus 440 equals 0. Okay, let's collect like terms. So what have we got? 36k squared minus 40k squared is going to go to minus 4k squared. Okay, and 24 minus 160 is going to go to minus 136k. There we go, and then we've got a plus 4 minus that is going to go to minus 436 equals 0. So times everything by minus 1 gives us 4k squared plus 136k plus 436 equals 0. Now we can just put that into our calculator to get our two values of k, and we find out that that gives us k is equal to minus 17 plus or minus 6√5 when you put that into your calculator. Perfect. Okay, that's great. I hope you found that helpful. Remember, if you're enjoying these videos and finding them useful, do remember to subscribe to the channel, because that really is going to help me keep on growing and making more videos for you. Hope you found that. What am I saying? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm losing the plot.